Second question is Joseph jogs from one end A to the other end B of a straight line 300-meter road in 2 minutes 30 seconds and then turns around and jogs 100 meter in back to point C in another 1 minute. What are the Joseph's average speeds and velocities in jogging from A to B and from A to C? In this question, there is a straight road which is 300 meter long. Now we draw a straight road. This is a straight road. One end is denoted by A and another end is denoted by B. This straight road is 300 meter long. In this question, Joseph moved from end A to end B in 2 minutes 30 seconds to travel a distance 300 meter. Means A moved from Joseph moved from a point A to the point B and travel a distance 300 meter in 2 minutes 30 seconds. When Joseph reached the point B and turns around and 100 meter back to the point C. Let the point C is here. This point is denoted by C and the distance between B to C is 100 meter. In another 1 minute. In 1 minute. 100 meter of distance can be covered in 1 minute from B to C. Now we write A from A to B. First question is from A to B. In this question, we first find the Joseph's average speed and then we find the Joseph's average velocity. First, we calculate the Joseph's average speed from A to B. Now, total distance traveled by Joseph's from A to B equal to 300 meter. When Joseph moved from A to B, they cover a distance 300 meter in time 2 minutes 30 seconds, means total time taken equal to 2 minutes 30 seconds. We convert minutes into second. 2 multiply 60 second plus 30 second, 120 second plus 30 second equal to 150 second. Means 300 meter of distance can be covered in 150 second. Then we find the Joseph's average speed from A to B equal to distance traveled by Joseph's from A to B divided by total time taken equal to distance traveled by Joseph's from A to B is 300 meter, put here, divided by total time taken is 150 meter, 150 second, means 300 meter of distance can be covered in 150 second. This and this will be cut to a meter per second. Means Joseph's average speed from A to B is 2 meter per second. First question can be solved. This is the answer. And now we find the average velocity from A to B. Calculation of average velocity from A to B. We know that velocity is related to displacement. So first we calculate the displacement between A to B. So total displacement equal to shortest distance between initial and final position. Now from figure, shortest distance between initial position and final position. Initial position is A and final position is B. So the shortest distance between A and B is 300 meter. So total displacement equal to 300 meter. Write it. Equal to 300 meter. This 300 meter of displacement can be covered in time 2 minutes 30 seconds. In figure we see that 300 meter of displacement can be covered in 2 minutes 30 seconds. Write it. Total time taken equal to 2 minutes 30 seconds. We change minute into second. So 2 multiply 60 second plus 30 second. 120 second plus 30 second equal to 150 second. Means 300 meter can be covered in 150 second. So we calculate the Joseph's average velocity from A to B. So we write Joseph's average velocity from A to B equal to total displacement divided by total time taken. Total displacement is 300 meter, put here, and total time taken equal to 150 second, put here. 300 meter of distance can be covered in 150 seconds, so put here. This and this will be cancelled. 2 meter per second means Joseph's average velocity from A to B is 2 meter per second. This is the answer. Therefore, Joseph's average speed from A to B equal to Joseph's average velocity from A to B equal to 2 meter per second. This is the answer of first part. Now in second part we see the question. Second part is from A to C. We first find the Joseph's average speed from A to C. Then we find the Joseph's average velocity from A to C. From A to C. Calculation of average speed from A to C. From figure. When Joseph moved from A to C, first we move from A to B, then B to C. When Joseph moved from A to B, they cover a distance 300 meter, and from B to C, Joseph cover 100 meter. So the total distance covered by Joseph from A to C is 300 meter plus 100 meter equal to 400 meter. So we write distance traveled by Joseph from A to C equal to 300 meter plus 100 meter equal to 400 meter. A total time taken by Josephs from A to C is, from figure, when moved from A to B, Joseph cover a distance 300 meter in 2 minutes 30 seconds. When moved from B to C, they cover 100 meter in 1 minute. So total time equal to 2 minutes 30 seconds plus 1 minute equal to 3 minutes 30 seconds. Write it. 2 minute 30 second plus 1 minute equal to 3 minute 30 second. We convert minute into second. 3 multiply 60 second plus 30 second. 3 multiply 60 180 second plus 30 second equal to 210 second. Now we calculate the Joseph's average speed from A to C equal to a distance traveled by Josephs from A to C divided by total time taken by Josephs from A to C equal to a distance traveled by Josephs from A to C is 400 meter, and this 400 meter can be covered in 210 seconds. This 0 and this 0 is cancelled, equal to 40 by 21 meter per second equal to 1.9 meter per second. This is the Joseph's average speed from A to C. This is the end. Now we calculate the average velocity from A to C. Calculation of average velocity from A to C. We know that average velocity is related to displacement. So we first calculate the total displacement from A to C. From figure, we see that and also we know that displacement is the shortest distance. So when Joseph moved from A to B and B to C, this is the longest distance, but displacement is the shortest distance. So A to C is the shortest distance. So we write it. Total displacement from A to C equal to shortest distance between initial position and final position. In the figure, initial position is A and final position is C. So the distance between A and C is calculated by the distance AB minus distance BC. Distance AB is 300 meter and distance BC is 200 meter equal to 200 meter when subtracting. So we write equal to distance AB minus distance BC equal to distance AB is 300 meter minus distance BC is 100 meter equal to 200 meter. Now we calculate the total time taken. Therefore we write total time taken from A to C equal to now from figure, when move from A to B, total time is 2 minutes 30 seconds. When B to C, time is 1 minute. So total time taken equal to 2 minutes 30 seconds plus 1 minute equal to 3 minutes 30 seconds. Write it. 2 minutes 30 seconds plus 1 minute equal to 3 minute 30 second equal to we convert minute into second. 3 multiply 60 second plus 30 second equal to 3 multiply 60 180 second plus 30 second equal to 210 second. Now we calculate the Joseph's average velocity from A to C. Joseph's average velocity from A to C equal to total displacement from A to C divided by total time taken from A to C equal to total displacement from A to C is 200 meter divided by total time taken from A to C is 210 second. This 0 and this 0 is cancelled. 20 by 21 meter per second equal to 0.95 meter per second. This is the answer. Means Joseph's average velocity from A to C is 0.95 meter per second. By 21 meter per second, we convert into point 0.95 meter per second. This is the answer. Joseph's average velocity from A to C is 0.95 मीटर पर सेकेंड. दिस इज द आंसर. यदि आपको यह वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें. थैंक यू.